So I'm here, I'm back with another of my videos. So I am in my bathing suit right now. I'm not going to show you again because that was just nasty. So, my grandma got me bath bombs that have hidden jewelry inside of it. And I've got my tub going. And so I'm going to literally like get in my bathing suit and just see what happens. So I'm going to put my phone right here real quick. Right there. And then I'm going to get in. Oh, that feels good. It's like hot water, but it feels good. So I'm just going to put my phone like that. It's not going to work like that. So I'm just going to do that. So I am wearing my bathing suit. I know I am fat. Shut up. So, yeah. It's already starting to come apart, but I got my pool, I got my tub, I got my tub water, so, yeah, when the water gets more up, and y'all can see it, then y'all can see the water, or the bath bomb. We just have to wait. I'm gonna go and put my hands in. Oh, it feels so good. I'm gonna scoot back a little more, and y'all can see the water. Wait, what has it in? I just like flick the water at the bath bomb. It's like really warm water. It feels good. I kind of wish I was skinny. Because then I wouldn't look so fat. And I would be able to fit in clothes. I mean, some clothes I do. But I don't know. When it gets a little more higher, like right up here, right here, then I'll show you. Right. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna get ready guys. So here's the bath bomb. It is rose something violet. Keep calm lavender. I thought it was rose or something. So it's already started because I like splashed water on it. But here we go. What? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love bath bombs. Oh, it's like so cold. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, that is so cool, guys. I'm not even joking. It's so cool. Like, I don't know if y'all could see it, but look at the water. Like, look at that. That is so freaking cool. It's better in person, but... I'm sorry I'm so amazed by this, but, like, I have never had a bath bomb. I mean, I have, but they were, like, mini-sized ones. Oh, that is so cool. My hands are purple now. Hi, purple, guys. So... It's warm when it's in the water, but when you take it out, it stops, and then it's cold. I'm, like, so fascinated. Like, it's so cool. Wait, I'm gonna try this way. See, like, so cool. They're still going. Oh my god. Wait, where is it? Oh my god. Oh, it's, whoa, it's gotten so small. Oh my god. Guys, this is like when, I don't know, when people see something, like, if they see something that never existed before and you found it, it's like that. Like Bigfoot. If someone found Bigfoot, this is like me seeing, it's like, this is like me, or what I'm doing now is like when people find Bigfoot or see something like they've never seen before. Like, I've seen so many people. Cameron! I'm gonna show my brother. Yeah? Come in! Why? I wanna show you. Why? Come look. I'm not naked, I'm wearing a bathing suit. Come look.
Well, that's what you're doing.
Isn't it so cool?
Yes. What is it?
It has jewelry inside of it.
Oh, cool. Goodbye.
Bye. Whoa, guys, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, it's like a little hole. I'm like squeezing it. The next one that I'm gonna do, my grandma got me 2. The second one, I'm gonna wait till my boyfriend comes over. So, and then we could just like sit in here with our bathing suits on and just watch it. Oh, it's a ring. It's a heart ring. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a ring. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so cool. And then like the ball you can play with, like. Oh, that's just so cool. Like, oh, that is cool. It floats to the top. Oh, my ball went away. But look at that, guys. That's all that's left. Chris! Chris! Oh wow. It's just so freaking cool. Oh my god. I'm gonna show this to my boyfriend and he's gonna be like, no, that's not true. I'm like, it was true. That was so cool, guys. Like, look at that. It's purple. Now my water is purple. Oh, that is a pretty purple. It's a dark purple, but it's pretty. Wait, I'm gonna smell. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like lavender. It's because it is. Wait, I want the ball. I want to see the necklace. Or the ring, I mean. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pretty. Like, I'm not even joking. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's got like a little gem and a butterfly. Oh my god. Oh god, I got that on video. That was pretty cool. Like, I see so many people like do these kind of videos and I'm just like, I'm not good. I don't have money, so I can't do that. Hey. So now I can. Well, I don't have money, but like my grandma got these for me, so. Cause like bath bombs usually cost so much. Oh, that is good because it is size 8. That's good because I have a size 8. My finger is a size 8. So look at that. That is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so that was amazing to watch. I hope y'all liked it because like I did. I was so amazed. I'm just gonna chill. Like, just chillax. Maybe they see. I'm like so relaxed right now after that bath bomb. Oh, oh, wait a second. I'm gonna get some water inside this. Yeah. Yeah, and you can make your own bath bombs at home. All you have to do is just look up how to, and you can make one. I couldn't make one again because like I have this plastic, and it would work so well. But yeah. Don't go look at me in the eye. Wait, I'm gonna catch soap. Wait, let me do this. There, it's like soapy water. That is so cool. I'm not even joking. Look at that. Oh, I am like so amazed right now. Like, it is amazing. If y'all were waterproof, if my phone was waterproof, I would stick y'all under the water. Like, it looks amazing. Like, you see that? You see that purple water? Wait, I'm just kidding, because I'm gonna save this. So here, look. Look at this water. Look at that. You see how amazing that is? It's so cool. Oh my god. I literally just did my hair a day ago, and it's gonna get ruined again. So, plus I did my nails. I don't know if y'all could see them, but they're sparkly. But yeah, my towel's all over there, so I cannot mess with my phone if my finger is wet. So I'm just gonna use my t-shirt. Alrighty. So yeah, I hope y'all liked my cool video. I would use that hand, but this is the hand I'm gonna use to stop the video. So I hope y'all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more. Yeah. I know my videos are cringy. I'm sorry. I was young. I didn't know better. I was like new to YouTube, but now I am like an old person. I'm good at YouTube now, so I hope y'all like this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment on this video if you want a shout out in my next video. Yeah. I'm gonna do high-low. So my high today was the bath bomb. My low was that I couldn't hang out with my boyfriend today because he had to go to his friend's graduation, but his friend said I wasn't invited because like there was gonna be too many people and crowded. And if y'all have been watching me, I don't really like big crowds. So yeah. I hope y'all liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I really want y'all to give me a like because all my other videos are bad and I have so many negative comments, and I just y'all are awesome. I love you, each and every one of you. I just hope y'all have a great day, and if you didn't have a great day today, I really hope y'all have a great day tomorrow. And if it's still day for you, I hope you have a great day the rest of the day. So this will be uploaded like tomorrow, which is Sunday, Mother's Day. So, yeah. I mean, it might be uploaded tonight, but I don't know yet. It depends on my schedule. I will be working soon. I'm going to be working at Creation Pet. It is Reef and Aquatics. It is over by 92. And I'm going to work there. And if y'all live by 92, come and visit me and say hello. Yeah. Alright, see y'all later. Peace.